All right, what's going on, everyone? We got a different type of video tonight. Bit of a frustrating sight to see that I caught on Friday, this past Friday. So let's get right into it. And this is a pre-recording. I'll start it for you so you know I'm not lying. See, I'm moving on the left screen, and then on the right side of the screen is the live trade that I took on Friday. As you can see, on the right is my live trade, and you can see the candlesticks. And now on the left screen, you can see after the market was finished. I closed out of the application and then restarted it because I was bored. I wanted to review and do my things. And I noticed this. I was like, okay, these candles are completely different. So starting on the right side of the screen, you can see on the green candle right here, it made a new low right here. The green candlestick is the signal bar that I usually take my trades off of. Now on the left side of the screen, there's not. You can literally see that big red candle with the two yellow dots under the low as considering it the new low. And so you can see where I got in with the little arrows on top of the green candle and the bottom of the green candle of where I got in and where I got out. Kind of bullshit, right? So I emailed NinjaTrader and I told them what was good. And I did go on NinjaTrader's support forum thing where they tell you how to fix this, but apparently I needed to like sync my time computer with NinjaTrader, and I don't know, it was weird. My time is correct. I don't know why they have me syncing my time with the application. But anyway, how do I know this is not going to happen again? Because that just costed me a trade. Now, which data is right? I don't know what data is right at all. So I switched over to Thinkorswim. And this was today, by the way. This was today on 8/26/2024, Monday. I did not take any trades. As you can see, we hit this little supply zone perfectly, and didn't catch the move though because I was at work and I got distracted. So, very disappointing, crazy move. But yep, I'm back to my roots. Basically, I'm back to using Thinkorswim. Now I'm still gonna be using NinjaTrader, but I'm gonna be using Tradovate instead because I was testing out NinjaTrader's DOM and I don't like it at all. It's weird and it doesn't perform too good. So I switched to Tradovate. They're basically the same thing, and I'm using Tradovate's DOM, and so you guys could see what position I got in. You can see the live trade of how much money I make off the trade or lose. And yeah, because I'm not going to be trading off of Thinkorswim's because their fees are ridiculously high and their margins are ridiculously high. But that was it. So if anyone knows the solution to the NinjaTrader data problem and can explain it to me a bit better than they have, that would be great. But for now, we're sticking with Thinkorswim, and I'll see you guys Friday when the trading week is over.